I absolutely love this GT. However, the front bumper is not complete. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I kind of want to install the lower lip on the Cobra bumper and the grille because it's been missing out for a while. And I got this lip off of eBay and I literally think I got ripped off. That's how expensive it was. It was like 150 bucks for something like this that is flimsy when I only paid $100 for this bumper. So it don't make sense, but it's the only one I could find. So let's install that. Let's fill this grill here. Let's put the running horse in there with a better option. And also we are gonna go and change out these fog lights. The ones that I have on there are okay, and one of the tabs is broken, but me knowing that the tab is broken, it just doesn't work. I know back on my head it's broken, so now I'm actually gonna take off the bumper because it'd be easier to install the lip and install the fog lights. You don't have to do this, you can do it under the car, but it'd be easier if I just take the bumper off, assemble everything out, and then put back on the car. So let's just go ahead and take the bumper off and see where we at. All right, the bumper is off. I'm gonna change this foam. I got a new used one, and I'm also gonna change this horn because this horn sounds like it belongs on Honda Civic. Anyways, I'm gonna put a Mustang horn back on there, and I'm gonna be changing out these fog lights because this is the tab that was broken, so don't like that. Got the new fog lights in. All right, next step is I want to install that lower lip that I got ripped off on, but it's got to happen. So let's put it back on the bumper, see how it looks. All right, the lower rollins is on. The front bumper looks 300 times better, but it is overpriced piece, but it's got to be done. You can see the LED light bulbs in there as well. All right, so next thing is I'm gonna put this on here, and then I'm also gonna put a running horse from the Mach. Now let's get that one done, and we'll put the bumper back on. She's missing the paint on the bumper, but so far the grille and the lower lip looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We're gonna have more videos on this car.